it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations. I'm about to dive into my paper pumpkin, which I got in the mailbox yesterday or the day before, and I wanted to bring you along with me as I dived into it. Okay, so this is the February 2018 paper pumpkin kit, Wildflower Wishes, and we are just gonna dive right on in. Have not opened this yet. Super excited to see what all is in this gorgeous box. So first of all, just a little reminder that Paper Pumpkin is turning 5, you guys. It was established in 2013. This is their 5-year anniversary, and they want to celebrate Paper Pumpkin and all of their wonderful subscribers. So be sure that you jump on board the Paper Pumpkin subscription train, because in March, you're going to get a free gift that will be packaged in a specialty 5th anniversary box. So subscribe by March 10th in order to get that amazing box. All right, so we are diving in. Let's see what we have. Oh, cute little celebrate, friend, thank you. And then all these fun little flowers. Couple more sentiments here. Hard to read on just the plastic, so I'm gonna have to stamp them and see what we've got. Garden green. Here is the kit, and here it is, Wildflower Wishes. Isn't that cute? Look at that. I can't wait to dive into this. Okay, so we're going to put one together as normal and see how it goes. So let me rip this sucker open. Ah, there we go. So we have a little spool of linen thread, very cool. We have a couple of glue dots that are runaways. Get back on there. And then this guy here, get back on there, there we go. And we have, ooh, some teeny tiny little pearls. Those are super cute. And dimensionals, awesome. Of course, we have some envelopes. Oh, my goodness, you guys, look at the inside of these envelopes. That's actually printed onto the envelope. That's not just paper. That is so cute. I love that. Okay, envelopes. We have some cardstock here, so it's white on the inside, and it looks like that's either crumb cake or Sahara sand. I'll have to read the color coordination thing and see what we've got. And then we have these cute cards. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, so let's see. Oh, we have 2 designs. Oh no, we have more than that. So we have these cute little flowers, and then we have these like this diamond pattern, and then we have the stripes. Those are super cute. Okay, cute labels, adorable. All different sizes too. Okay, so we have 2 of those, and looks like I just have 1 of those. And then, wow, look at all this chipboard stuff. This is fun. Not really like chipboard, but cardboard cutouts. So like all of these you can pop out. And the flowers, aw, how cute. Super pretty. Beautiful flower pop outs. We've got some vellum pieces. How beautiful. Yes, you guys. So pretty. Okay, let's figure this out here. Oh, and we have some more vellum here too. Lots of vellum. Ooh. Now, I'm thinking this would be a cool stencil too. That brain is working on those alternates pretty hard right now. All right, let's see here. So, here are our instructions. Let's pop those open. Okay, so step number 1, stamp all sentiments and images. Place vellum aside to dry. Okay, so we're stamping on the vellum, it looks like. There are so many different options to put this together. And look at how cute to embellish the outside of the envelope. So adorable. Okay, so which vellum are they stamping on? That is the question. That is the question. So let's do this thank you card here. So first of all, I need to pop out one of these. Okay, and we're going to stick that onto one of these. So we'll pop one of those out. How many of you have received your paper pumpkin kit, and how many of you have dived in and started playing around? So we'll line this up. Hopefully I can get it pretty good on the first try. I'm being super quiet because it's taking a lot of concentration to get that lined up. There we go. And it looks like actually that piece, the sticker piece, is just a little bit bigger too. So gives you a little bit of room, wiggle room there. And then I'm gonna take my snips and use the point to get out that the center A piece and the O piece. There we go. Thanks, Sam. Yeah, I thought it was kind of cute. If I can get these pieces out here. Okay. And then here's the O piece. Uh-oh. It's a little crooked. Let's fix that. There we go. All right, so we have that done. Let's see. It says to stamp on the vellum, but I'm not sure which vellum they're actually stamping on. So I have my banner. Is that what? Oh yeah, they stamped on the banner. Okay. So thank you so much. So we'll use a small banner right here. Okay, and they're going to use the one that says so much. So we'll get that out. Looks like big time. That's cute. So much is right here. So I'll grab a block, and I have my garden green classic Stampin' pad, so I'm going to open that up and use that instead of the little spot. I like to save those. And so I'm going to ink up that so much and stamp that down on the vellum. And then I'm going to set that aside to dry. Okay. Now we are going to, oh, let's keep this out because we're going to stamp some flowers. So we're going to grab this guy, and we're going to use, let's use this cute little florally one and stamp that. So we'll stamp, let's get our placement here. We'll stamp this here and stamp this one over here. Let's stamp a couple. Stamp a few of those guys. There we go. Kind of like an L shape in both of those corner edges there. That way when we pop that up right here, you can kind of see those. Cute. Okay. So we're going to use our dimensionals, pop up that little sentiment guy. Couple here, couple there. Hi, Reba. Love paper pumpkin. Yes. Have you received this kit? Have you put it together? I need your thoughts. What do you think of this month's kit? I think it's kind of cute with all these fun flowers, lots of colors. It reminds me of, I don't know if retro is the right word, but I kind of like how those flowers are just so bright. Oh my gosh, come on, little guy. There we go. One more. Ah! Okay, before I stick that on, I want to tie on my linen thread. So we'll take a little bit of that guy, and we're going to tie him around and end over here on the edge. And I'm going to tie it pretty loose so that I can do a bow here in a second and move it around if I need to. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this on, and I'll move this over even more. With my luck, I'm going to glue that right down to my desk. I have done that. All right, we'll stick that right there. Chop this guy off. Do a little bow action. Now I'm gonna bring in one of those card bases. Oh, there's another glue dot stuck to that. Well, hey, guess what? I'm gonna put that on the front because it'll get covered up by this piece anyway. And I could use, I'm gonna actually, yeah, I'll just use these glue dots to stick this guy down to my card base, and then throw on a couple of pearls and wham bam boom, it is done. This is a quick kit, you guys. And there are so many other embellishments that came with it. I mean, oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless on this kit. Okay. Get that stuck down. Oh, how sweet is that? It is really cute. I do like that. Okay, let's pop on some pearls, and then we're gonna decorate our envelope. Oh my gosh, how do you even open these? Up here? Is it just a little pocket? Let's just, there we go. Got it. Smarter than the package. Okay. Use our scissors to pick a couple of those up and just pop those on down. Oh yeah, and then we still have our vellum piece. So put a couple of glue dots on that sucker. Actually, I think I just need one right here, and then I'm going to cover it up with a pearl. Okay, so we're going to put this, they have theirs kind of going over the top like this. Guess we could do that too. There we go. Oop. And then I'm going to use a little pearl right there just to kind of cover that up. Okay, and that's it. That's the first card done. Now I can kind of snazz up the envelope here. I love how this envelope has such a cute little inside. So adorable. Okay. And the fun thing about this stamp set that comes with it is this line, because you can use this kind of as an address line. If I can get it on there straight enough. There we go. And then we can use our garden green to make those lines. So we'll do 1 and 2 and 3. There's our address lines. They're a little wampus, but hey, I am okay with it. And now we're going to use those fun, look at these stickers. These are so cute. I'm going to use one of these, and we're going to put that right over here. And a fun bright yellow flower goes right over here in the corner. Yay! And there it is, you guys. There is one of the paper pumpkins that we put together. We just threw this together, and it's been literally just like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to put one of these cards together. And if you were assembly lining it and doing multiples at a time, boom, they just come together so fast. That is adorable. Aw, I love how this background here matches the envelope. That is so cute. What do you guys think? Do you like this month's paper pumpkin? Oh, look, we could put some flowers on the inside. Let's do that. I'm going to use a pink and a blue right down here in the corner. So cute. I love those stickers. It makes it really handy and easy to decorate with. And there it is. Boom, all done. And there are so many other designs that you can make on here too. So we kind of followed this thank you here, but there's Hello Sweet Friend and Celebrate Your Awesomeness. I like that one. That one is really cute. So, oh, I forgot to put the little vellum guys behind there. So I think I can sneak those in right now. Pop one of these vellum guys out very carefully. Super delicate. Okay, so there's one. I'm just going to put 2 on. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, and then this guy goes on the other corner. I can't wait to design some alternates on this kit. I think that there are so many possibilities. It's going to be super fun coming up with some alternate designs. There we go. Now we added that little accent of those two little vellum guys. What do you think, you guys? Do you like it? I think it's so cute. I really love the neutral and how much it makes these colors pop. I think it's really fun. And put together that paper pumpkin. Again, it is Paper Pumpkin's 5th year anniversary. They started in 2013 and they are going strong. So March box is going to be amazing, you guys. You're gonna get a free gift and it's going to be a specialty collector's box. So adorable and awesome. Let me know what you guys think of this month's Paper Pumpkin, and when you get yours put together, let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!